So today I'm going to share with you a non-toxic skincare line that I am currently testing out. I think that what we put on our body is just as important as what we put in our body. And I don't think a lot of us really think about that. The average woman puts close to 170 chemicals on her body every single day. And that is with putting on makeup, skincare, body lotions, body sprays, hair care products, deodorants, things like that. And unfortunately, there are so many hormone disrupting chemicals inside all of these products that it is just wreaking havoc on our hormones. When they have studied women and the amount of endocrine disrupting chemicals that are just in the breast tissue alone, and then they had them swap them out with products that didn't have those endocrine disrupting chemicals in them, close to 70 to 80% of a decrease in the endocrine disrupting chemicals shown in the breast tissue in just as little as 28 days. So what you're putting on your body can have a powerful, powerful impact on your hormone health. So when I was looking into this company, Hue and Grace, and listening to the formulation call, I was very impressed on how they requested to have a very high quality product that is very comparison to the expensive products that you would maybe get in a spa, very luxurious, high quality products. But they also wanted to make sure there was zero endocrine disrupting chemicals in these products, which is incredible. So there are no preservatives in this skincare line, in these serums, and it's all natural. Okay, so I'm going to share with you, this is kind of a first impression because I just got these products in the mail and I just used them for the first time last night. So I'm first going to start out with the Face soap. It's a soap bar. And you can go online and you can check out all the ingredients that is in the soap. I do want to say that I tend to have more dry skin, and so I had a hard time finding a face wash that doesn't really give me that super dry feeling after I wash my face. And I will have to say that this gave a hint of that super dryness after I washed with it, but my face did feel very clean, and the smell of it is very light and gentle. It's not overpowering. So you've already been making your swaps from the very powerful smelling lotions and perfumes and things like that. You know that the more non-toxic stuff smells more natural. It's not as strong and powerful and doesn't give you a headache. So the smell of it is very nice and gentle. And so I'm excited to keep trying this, but my first impression is it's not too bad. So I'm going to continue to use this and see what I think. I also want to add that I just feel like this time in my life, it's time to start incorporating a good skincare regimen that will complement, the nourishment that I put inside my body, because that ultimately is shown on the outside of your body too. But I wanted to go ahead and start incorporating a skincare line. And I wanted something to be very simple. Like, I don't want a lot of steps. I don't want to have to use a lot of products. And I definitely want them to be very non-toxic. It's another thing that I'm liking about this skincare routine. It's very, very simple. So first I'll, wash my makeup off with the bar of soap. And then, let's see, so I'll do that at night. And then they have the Face Serum, and I love that they are in glass bottles. So all the nutrients is in here to help our skin to repair and rebuild itself and get all of the cellular turnover. So this is amazing. So I tried this for the first time last night and it felt so good going on. Again, It has a wonderful, light, natural smell to it, nothing overpowering, and it definitely did not leave my face super like greasy, because this is a serum, and it didn't feel heavy on my face. It actually felt so incredibly good. Then in the morning, of course, if you want to wash your face again and then use the daytime face serum. So it's designed to protect and enhance the skin's microbiome, and it is very vitamin C heavy. It's almost like a protective barrier for your skin, protecting it from pollutants and free radicals, and all the environmental things that you want to protect your skin from. And I would have to say I actually used this this morning, and first impression, again, a light, good smell. It wasn't greasy or heavy. And I'll tell you that throughout the day, because I didn't put makeup on until later in the day today, I kept going back and looking in the mirror, and I was like, oh, my face looks like super bright, and like, it just looks super bright. And after the first use, I don't know, I could tell a difference. It was crazy. I'm loving the day serum for sure. And so far, first impression, loving the products. I love what they're about, and I love the mission behind them. They are non-toxic and hormone safe. Another thing I want to talk about that I got from Hue and Grace, body oil. This was incredible. So like I said before, I do have more drier skin, and when I put this on, it was like nothing other. The smell, again, amazing, just a nice, light, natural smell, nothing overpowering. And a lot of times, you know, when you're putting oils on, they're heavy, greasy, and they kind of feel yucky. This is incredible. Like, it didn't feel sticky or greasy on me. It absorbed really well. It absorbed so nicely, and my skin was like glowing. So I absolutely do love the body oil, and I will definitely be swapping this out with any lotions that I've been using in the past. This is incredible. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how easy it is, and show you what my morning and nighttime skincare routine is going to look like for the next several months. And I'm excited to do a video down the road and do a review on what I think after using these products for a good couple months. So I'm going to go ahead and show you just how easy and simple a non-toxic, hormone-safe skincare regimen looks like. Okay, so that's what my nighttime skincare regimen is gonna look like. Face soap to get all the makeup off, and the night serum, and then I will probably go ahead and use the body oil at nighttime too. And then I will show you what my morning is gonna look like. Very simple, very easy, and very effective and non-toxic. Oh yeah, you can even put the oil in your hair. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna like this simple skincare regimen, and remember, this is my first impression. I just ordered these non-toxic, hormone safe no endocrine disrupting skincare line. I will be doing an updated review later on down the road, but if you're interested in swapping your skincare regimen for something non-toxic but still get good results, I definitely suggest Hue and Grace. And so if you're interested in trying this out yourself, I will put the link down below and it'll give you a savings. Thanks for watching today's video. I have a nice fresh face for the day, and I'm gonna go put on my non-toxic makeup. So that could be a different video in the future if you guys are interested. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share and like this video. See you guys later.